Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Please, if this is your first time of visiting, please subscribe and like our video. God bless you. So, according to Cotp promise, what they promised us that today being the 22nd of May 2022, that they are going to restore, that everything will start working normal. So, I want to do a practical right now to see if everything has started working normally. And this will be my last practical that I will do. After doing this and it did not work out, like I said in my last video, that I will delete the app from my phone. So after doing this practical, and if I did not see any text, any code, I will get the app off my phone, because they've promised us a lot and they failed. So I will consider everything lost. So let's go. But let me show you the amount that I have. As you can see, I have $2,892. So this amount right now, I would like to withdraw all. I would like to try all. So I would like to withdraw all the money there to see if they will send me code. So I come to mine. Then, but before I withdraw, let me see if they sent any message on customer care, that their official customer care service. Let me see if there is any new message there. It's loading. Let me check if there is any new message. The old message, they are still sending the old message, no new message. So let's try the withdrawal. Okay, now let me click on withdraw. So I'm having, okay, I'm sorry. I'm still trading. My asset has not yet returned. So let me just request for code. Let me just request for code to see if I will get the code. So if I do not get the code, which means I will delete the app once it is tomorrow morning. I will just delete the app and move on. So the code is loading. Yes, the countdown has started. So let's see if there will be magic, if they will do any magic by sending code. Myself, I'm not even expecting the code, but because I know they will not send it. But I say let me try. So the countdown is going 68%. So there is no code yet. This people has really eaten me up. They have eaten me up. 42%, 40%, 39%. Still there is no code. Even when COTP is working fine, if you want to withdraw during that period that is working fine, even if you want to withdraw, sometimes if you request code once, they will not send it. You have to request 2 times or 3 before they will send it. So this their code issue. I don't know. I don't know what has in fact. That's by the way. 10% the code is not yet here. So no need of wasting time. No need of wasting time. As you can see, they intentionally switched off the SMS stuff so that nobody will be receiving code. Even if they are building the whole world, even if they are building the whole world, just to set up SMS that will deliver to every customer is taking them. Let them go and tell that to the birds. Let them go and tell that to the birds. They have done their worst. They have done their worst. So thank you everybody. Let's plan on something else so that we can move on. Sometimes life is like this. So no matter what we are passing through right now, we don't we will not allow it to bring us down. I know many people watching this video are the people that invested on Cotp. But my prayer for you guys is that anything that you've spent, anything that you've lost, by this time next month, you will receive it times 100. God will give you anything that you've lost times 100. Yes, I believe that. If you believe, it will work out for you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless you.